Guys, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. This is RG Vlogs. So today I am going to start a new content about gym. I mean to say workout, home workout, not gym. Even gym also you can say, or whatever. Everything is similar. So today, guys, I'm trying to discuss with you all some balanced diet. I mean what you have to eat and what you have to not eat. So we will discuss in this vlog. So before discussing, guys, I know some people will be having their motivation to go to gym. They will think that we will make a body like this tight fitting biceps, abs. And many people, some people will be having like dream they'll make some abs or biceps. Many things people will be having their thinking skills, right? So I would like to say, guys, don't worry for that. Whether you are not able to go for gym, it's okay, all right. Don't feel low yourself. So I would like to say I have came with you all to start a new tutorials. So you can also watch in this video and you can learn many things. So guys, in this in this RG channel, so I will post every exercises, shoulders, back workout as well as biceps every day what I have done the workouts. So I will share with you what workouts I do. So guys, this is my first content, so I'm going to start today. So please do guys support me and please make me level up so that I can bring still more new channels to you, so that I can discuss with you and so that I can make you also to learn. So I would like to say that so today I was thinking to say about balanced diet. Okay, so okay, let's we complete it. What I take everyday balanced diet. So guys, one thing, when I started my fitness exercises, so I have stopped sugar free. I mean everything I take sugar free only. I does not take any sugar items, sugary like sweets and fast foods like masal puri and all something, pani puri and all. So guys, I would like to say for 21 days you have to challenge it. I mean we should not touch it, and I mean to say you don't see at all the type of foods like samosa, kachori, whatever that oily foods. Guys, I would like to say it's very harmful to your body, and I would like to say in that nothing is there, no protein, nothing is there. Only it makes you just fatty, that's all. Cholesterol, etc will be there. So they will be saying this vitamin is less, that is less. So without wasting the money buying that masala puri and all, every day you are eating, so why don't you eat dry fruits and all every day? Why don't you eat dry fruits like badam, pista? Okay, so I would like to suggest that when you are hungry, whatever you are, wherever you are, just have a constant more number of water and dry fruits. Whenever you are hungry, just chew dry fruits, enough. Okay, that is more benefit. So guys, I would like to say, if you are not doing any nutritions, I mean not taking any nutrition or whatever, dry fruits, whatever this type of things, guys, if you don't have single 10-15 minutes also time to give, means body fitness or whatever, you if you don't have time to give 10 minutes also. So I would like to say guys, one thing, that at least change your nutrition and take proper diet, like eat number of salads and vegetables. If you're not doing any workout or whatever, please do eat more number of dry fruits as well as salads. This makes you lot of change in your body, and it does not make any problem in your body. So that guys, without doing any workout, please don't lose your body posture and all. So please give time, even 10 to 15 minutes at least, to your body also. It is more important. If you are not giving any importance to your body, then we are useless. So I would like to say, if you have time, at least have a time for 30 to 20 minutes. So do workout and have proper diet. So okay, number one, morning what I do is 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock it will be becoming, I know. So 9 o'clock what I do is 50 gram of oats with milk, 200 ml of milk I take. And if I get any pomegranate or banana, whatever I may get, fruits I add to that oats, as well as I take 3 to 4 egg whites. That is heavy, nice protein. the one egg contains 6 gram of proteins. You know guys, the one egg contain of 6 gram of proteins. So I would like to suggest have per day 3 to 4 at least. I know according to your financial, they will not leave you to eat that much eggs and all. I know the egg cost is lot, I think so, like that 6 rupees. Some other area they take 6 rupees, 5 rupees. Okay, just try to have per day 2 eggs, that is also enough. So as per I take 3 to 4 eggs as per my, but actually even I am saying even Tiger Shroff's also nutritions what he also have. So same I am copying Tiger Shroff's. Even I also same follow like Tiger Shroff sir, and even I am also going to share with you all what I have. See, morning that completed oats 200 ml with that milk and all over. 200 ml milk and 50 gram of oats, mix it well and eat with banana water. Eat lots of banana, okay, and eat egg whites. Then drink constant of water, more number of water. Then go ahead to your dry fruits, badam, pista, whatever you want. Okay, then after badam, pista and all, you eat whatever you like dry fruits, but eat lots of dry fruits. 10 grams should be each, like badam 10 grams, khajur or dates 10 grams, and pista or almond whatever 10 grams or 5 grams. I know 5 grams only, it's okay maximum. So totally eat some 40 to 50 grams of dry fruits over. That is your morning breakfast as well as whatever. Then drink water, be drinking water. Okay, this is your protein actually. Okay, so we don't have that much financial to buy 2000 rupees of proteins, and to what to say, we can't take that much uh, rate of proteins, right? So this is a natural protein what you can have every day. So another one thing what I want to say is afternoon, if everyday meal is not considered, it's no problem, but in a week at least twice in a day is enough. Okay, eat number of chicken and fish, that is more beneficial. Don't eat more number of mutton. Okay, mutton is what to say, it contain very high cholesterol as well as very fattiness, so that you can't uh, burn out very fast your abs whatever to whatever you want to make it as fit. So who are all more weight, so please stop eating lots of mutton or stop eating mutton. So please fish and chicken you eat more. So that chicken if you eat, so that your vascular tissues and muscular tissues also it improves, as well as it makes your biceps, everything, shoulders, everything, lots of tissue and lots of vascular tissues also required. So eat lot number of soybean chunks. Okay, it is damn good to our health. It is contain more number of milk. So I would like to say have more, lots of paneer and soybean chunks. And I would like to suggest have curd also, that too without sugar. You what they say, like curd which you get from shop, that you have that curd without sugar, that is more beneficial, so that you can get your skin glow up. Okay, it's having lots of essential. The next afternoon meal over, so then have again constant number of water. Then again you can have at evening dry fruits, as well as eat lot number of salads, fruits and fruit juice, everything whatever. For weight loss people I would like to say that pineapple, apple, as well as orange, watermelon, these fruits are there, no, it's very beneficial to you. You can weight loss properly. And guys who are having more number of weight, I would like to say morning and evening you please take hot water, in that jeera also you add it and stir it and drink well, so that you will feel low and make your weight loss proper and get a proper fit. Guys, this is the evening diet over. Then I go for workout for 2 hours at evening. I does not go for morning because I don't have energy to do workout at morning. Guys, I don't have that much patience to do workout at morning, so I do more number of time workouts at night as well as evening, whenever I get time, because due to lack of studies we does not give much time. So then also we have to make ourselves time. So I would like to say that please have your time for your body, at least make the fit. to your body, so that it will look good also, so that other people will also say that, yeah, so nice, looking cool. So at least nice comment also you will get it, right? So not for comment only you have to do, I'm not saying that in that way, for your fitness as well as for your proper having proper posture, as well as be fit for thousands years. I know we can't live for 1,000 years, but at least 70 to 80 years we can live, right? Whatever. Till our death, we have to be doing workout, as you can do. If you have patience, then you can do. Then at night time, I take only chapati. So rice only one time I take at afternoon. That is enough. Evening, dry fruits and all fruits over salads. That is another meal. So here at night, some boiled items like beans, carrot, baby corn, etc., etc. I take, okay, consumed it, as well as milk also I take, 4 chapatis, whatever it's your wish, whatever you want, and have lots of vegetables with you, salads. Eat and stay safe, and be doing same routine like this only I will be going on. And always drink water. That is the main motivity I'm saying you, please do drink more water. So guys, if you all like this much what I have told, if you all understood, and please do follow this. And please guys, please, I'm requesting all, please do like and please share to everyone. And guys, fitness workouts and all I will start from next vlog. So till then, stay tuned. Bye bye, take care. I will come with a new content. So please be tuned, and please do subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe the RG Vlogs channel, and please do follow my Instagram ID is Airbus 380 Pilot. Thank you. Namaste to all of you.